Hey friends, if you encounter driver portion must be non-paged, be a blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the main issue, the main reason behind this problem is that the RAM is either not being detected, or it may be loose, or there may be some other issues with it. So search for memory diagnostic and open the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool and click on restart now and check for problems. Other than this, okay, one thing is that checking the RAM to this. Other than this, physically check whether the RAM is connected to your system or not. The second one is to update the display drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for display driver adapters. Right click on the first one, update drivers. Right click on the second one, update drivers. And then finally update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. And make sure that each and every update is installed. You may even have to restart your system after that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.